Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Tom here with SteelKnight CNC, and today is another day, and we're gonna be moving the X-axis and calibrating the X-axis. That being said, I want to show you how I'm gonna do it the right way I think is gonna be done. I do have a digital dial indicator right there, but I'm gonna show you why not to use it coming up. Let's go. So first up is a dial indicator. And this goes up to 25 millimeters. And what I'm gonna do, turn it on. It's already at 0 for now. We're gonna probably bring this a little bit more over though. Zeroed out. All right, so we're gonna go into our F1 screen in Masso and go to our X-axis, hit wizard. It says go to F3 and jog to starting position. We're there, 0. Go to your jog coordinates, hit 0. And then we're gonna move 20 on here, and let's see what comes up here. So that's 20 there, 9.894 on this display here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to F1 and type in 20 millimeters. Complete calibration. Now it's at 10.10739, save. We're gonna go back to the starting position. Go ahead and zero it out. We're gonna come back and hit the X-axis, wizard, set 0, go to 0 here, make sure it's 0. We're gonna go 10 and see what it displays on the controller board. This is a quick step. I'm going to show you why not to use a dial indicator. Okay, 20.30. Go back in. We move 20. Calibrate. It's now at 9.95. See, it dropped down below. We could do it again. Hit save, and it's just going to keep giving us a different number every single time. So we're going to back it out. Make sure you guys can see this over here. We're gonna go back to the F1 setup, X-axis, wizard 0, F3, it's at 0. We're gonna move it 20. All right. So it's 20 on a dial indicator, 19.726 here. We go into our F1 screen. We put in 20 because that's how much we moved. And it's gonna do its calculation based off of that. Hit calibrate, now we're at 10.094. Hit save. And we're gonna run it one more time, and it's gonna be the last time, and then I'm gonna show you why not to use it. All right, so we're gonna move this out the way. We're gonna make sure our tape measure is nice and sturdy. All right, I'm gonna move this all the way back to the front because some people are happy with 9.916, but I'm gonna show you over the length is gonna be worse. So I'm gonna start at the 10 over here because I don't have so much room to start at the 1. So the 10 is gonna be our 1. I'm just gonna put this right underneath. And we're gonna put it right on top of there. like that. So there we go. So I'm gonna zero it out on the display. You gotta trust me, it's zeroed out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this to 110 centimeters, which will be our 1 meter mark, because we're missing 10 back here, so we gotta add it. So let's go ahead and move to the 110 position. Just want to move my display out the way for a little bit here. I just disconnected my Masso. All right, so let's do this again. We're gonna slow it down here now. So as you can see, using a dial indicator is a no-go. We are off 12 millimeters and some change from being 20 on the dial indicator, right? So I hope you guys are gonna stay away completely from the dial indicator. Now I'm gonna show you over the ruler or the tape measure. When you have something like this here, that's firm and it's accurate almost to the T, almost, unless if you use a rotary encoder, that's something even better if you guys can get your hand on one with the wheel. But anyways, I'm gonna bring this back over. We're gonna put in the right steps and I'm gonna show you a repeatability, all right? Let's jump into it. So we're gonna back this puppy all the way up. All right, I'm gonna hit 0. And here we go now, okay? I'm gonna move it. Wait, sorry, I lied. We gotta go into F1, X screen, wizard, 0, come up here, 0. Just double check that it's set to 0, 0, 0. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the 110 millimeter or 1 meter. Slow it down, slow it even further down. Repeatability, look at that. Sitting right on top of the 10 and let's see if it stops. Boom, look at that. I'm gonna lift it up. Right on top of the 10. I can't be any more happy for that. So let me know down in the comments on how you guys organize your step and directions with accuracy, because what I just showed you is a proven pretty much method why I do not use the dial indicator. I'd rather use a measuring tape over a distance, not a short period, because I could get within maybe, let's say 100 millimeters pretty accurate, but the further out you go, you're gonna be less accurate. So this being done this way on the tape measure is how you guys should be doing it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below in the description. I'll be happy to answer anything y'all have because it is a learning curve for every hobbyist, CNC builder, or whatever you guys are building. That being said, SteelKnight out. All right, well, there y'all have it, SteelKnights. You guys seen it. It's a tried and true method. Tape measure over dial indicator. Dial indicator is good for smaller measurements and occurrences, but over distance, you will pay the price. And I'm trying to save you guys this for the future of your own machines when you build them. That being said, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave it in the description below. I'm pretty sure I said that already. I really don't remember. It's Friday, but the machine is coming alive. I love it. It is a fantastic beast, and I hope you guys stick around and watch this build go through. With all further ado, have a great weekend. Dom out. SteelKnight out.